I wanted a scarf, and I couldn't find anything that matched, so I just got out a piece of loosely woven fabric and put a little hem on it, made it an infinity scarf, and I'm just going to mix some colors and just paint it. I got out my acrylics, I have a ton, and I want to match some of the colors in the skirt or in the core fabric. So I've got definitely black. This I may have to adjust it to match. The green's pretty good. That's close enough for me. And then I want a real light pink. So I have to add white to this. Here's the white. Since I have to mix the pink, I'm going to start with the pink color and just add little stripes. Just that easy. Same on this side. I'll probably dry it with my hair dryer, just speed things up a bit. The aqua is next, and that's close enough. I'll do the same thing and just put some stripes. I decided I liked how pastel-y that it looked, so I did lighten the olive green with some white. I'll put another stripe. This time I'm just going to put a little tiny one. For the necklace, you may have seen my haul where I got these little wooden beads, and then I also have these tiny little beads. So I put them together on a piece of string. And I'm going to actually decorate with a Sharpie. I want black and aqua. And I decided to be more artsy than precise. When you start getting precise, then in your mind you mess up. So if you're just artsy, see, then it looks intentional. My next accessory will be a reversible belt. I'm using back to my core piece, fabric from my core piece. I'm just going to wrap it around her waist, and I'll have one of these ponytail ties that holds it together. You've seen me make this belt before. And I want it that big, okay? I put another piece of fabric with it. I'm going to sew down and then with your right sides together, and then across, and leave a gap here to turn it inside out, and then the rest of the way. Here it is, and I'm about to lose my light, so I will probably put some top stitches on this. And I give this a little twist I'll stitch that on. Then I'll stitch it on the other side. And you will have a cute little belt. I'll have more pictures tomorrow when it's nice and bright. And here's a close-up of the finished product. And the other side looks like this. I've just folded it around. Thanks so much for watching my series this time. I hope you enjoyed it.